Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to another stock market show video. This is your host Shades. We are going to talk about ASTS. For those of you who have been following this channel ever since I started talking about ASTS, way back when it was getting this huge pump to $40 from a low of $2 and under, I remember telling everyone, "Hey, don't chase up here. Don't do it. Don't chase. Don't be the guy chasing holding the bag at 40." And what did I tell you after? I told you stocks like to find a bottom. When they bottom out, they hold that line in the sand, and you can trade the trading range that will reveal itself with time. And here we are now. We are within a trading range inside a wedge right now at the end of it. I did buy some today under at around 23.98, like literally almost $24. Let's just round up. I basically bought at $24, so I'm up 25 cents per share as of right now. But yeah, I bought here at the bottom of this wedge near the support here of the trading range. And if those of you who remember, I haven't made an ASTS video in a long time, but I told you eventually it will bottom out. You got to give it a couple months. It'll reveal itself, and you start taking advantage of the pumps that happen every time it comes down to the lowest price point, which is around 22 to $23, and the highest price point is around $30. So you can just keep flipping it. Just wait for it to come down to the bottom, flip it when it comes up. It's that simple. You just have to have the patience and discipline, which is unfortunately a lot of people don't have that. That's why you got people who chased up here holding the big bag, and you, if you're smart, you're down here, you're like, ooh, I'm going to accumulate the bottom. You get excited about these cheapies. You get excited when you see red, especially within the trading range. This range has held since September 6th, so we're going on to what, month 4, 5? October, November, December. Oh, no, yeah, month 4. Month 4 of holding this bottom. As long as it holds, let's continue abusing this pattern, in my opinion. That's what I like to do on this channel. We find the bottom, we buy down there. So I bought some today. I'm like, hey, it's close to the bottom. We had a green candle close on Monday, not on Monday, on Friday. And, buyers are stepping in. Here's a wedge. Let's sell it. I'll probably look to sell it at 25 to 26 because if it's just going to follow this wedge. The problem with wedges is we don't know which side it's going to break down or break out to. So I'm just going to look to flip it for like $1 or $2, unfortunately, because it isn't within a wedge. We don't know which side it's going to go down to. Maybe it'll break down to the downside like NVIDIA. NVIDIA broke out of its wedge to the downside, unfortunately. So other than that, the play is there. I already alerted in the Discord. If you're in the Discord, you should have jumped in with 100 shares, and we're just going to make a quick $100. Why not? Why not take advantage of this bottom here? That's it. That's all there is to it. I don't think there's anything else to touch on. Is there any news here with regards to ASTS? I think long term, if they continue to get contracts, it'll be a good long-term hold. But right now, short term, I still predict we're going to play the wedge out, and there's money to be made within that wedge and within this trading range. So other than that, I don't think anything else needs to be said. Let's look at the buy ratings before I let you guys go. I am curious. $44, 44, 31, 31, 44, 45. So it looks like everyone has it at $30 and above. So if that's the case, right now it's technically undervalued. And that's fine by me. If everyone thinks it's undervalued, I hope they pump it because I'm in. Give me some money so I can dump it on your head, because that's the game, right? It's bag or be bagged. If you're not holding a bag up here, pat yourself on the back. You're smarter than those people. Those people chased, hoping it was going to go to 1,000. Woo! You never want to be that guy. Okay. That's it for the video. Short, sweet, to the point. If you want to join the Discord and get the alerts early so that you're not buying at $25 or whatever, that's what the Patreon is for. Patreon.com/AgentTrades. I will see you guys in the next one.